Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to access Devin AI. So let's get into this video. So you can just simply type in Google Devin AI or just go to their website here, which is devinai.ai. So once you get to this audio official page here, so right now it's not available for everyone, but you can still try it. So just hit on this try it for free option. So when you click on this try it for free option, so you will prompt with this screen here. So when you get to this screen, so what you can do, you can click on start chat to start using it. Simply click on start chat, and then when you get to this start chat here, this will ask you, sometimes it may ask you to prompt for your age restrictions, and it will ask you a few questions if you are using it for the very first time. So just select those and then hit on submit. And once you hit on submit, then you will be prompted here. So this is the Devin AI interface where you can like send your text and start chatting with it, and you can use this. So that's how you can access Devin AI at this moment. So hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.